To enable or disable NFC in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate into connections, and then you can find NFC and contactless payments. After that, you'll be able to turn it off and on with this switch, or alternatively, we should be able to find NFC in our quick access. I think, no, this is the Wi-Fi, we want NFC. So if you cannot find it in the list of icons right here, because for me it doesn't show up, we'll need to edit them. So click on the pen button and then click on Add Control, look for the NFC button, select it, and then you can move it to whichever position you like it to be. So in this case, we're gonna move it to those icons, and then we need to click on Done. That way we'll be able to find NFC right here, and you can also turn it on and off. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.